inspection for 2523 34th Avenue South. We have the connection to the main right here, and a little bit of PVC, existing PVC coming off of the main. And then our sewer lining is going to start right here. So everything is basically line coming back to the house, other than the few repairs in the gapped sections of line. This is all 6-inch liner. You see, like right here, there's a little bit of an offset in the sewer system. You can see that little ridge and how the liner just kind of smoothed it out. Now we're into the PVC. This is the repair that happened underneath the rock retaining wall at the edge of the property. And now we're back into sewer liner coming to the house. So this is still 6-inch liner. Right there we transition into 4-inch pipe. It'll be 4-inch all the way back to the house. We have one gap in the sewer liner here. You can see the connection point right there on the right side. A little bit of water coming through it. It's a storm drain. And then we have another gapped line right here. You can see the connection point there on the right. And then the final gap in the sewer line here, another storm drain. You can see water trickling in right there. And now we're going to come back to the PVC repair at the head of the run and the clean out access right where the sewer line leaves the house.